Research shows electric car charging stations in America are facing major problems. Well, this is why I'm investigating. All right, Will?
Yeah, this was your article.
According to a research study from J.D. Power, the EV charging network in the U.S. has already eroded, and at least 1 in 5 charging attempts by EV drivers failed to connect. It's bad enough that the adoption rate of electric vehicles is double the rate of chargers being installed. Yikes, that's terrifying. Yet the existing ones are already aging with lack of maintenance, repair, and software updates to keep up with evolving batteries. According to a report, there was a steady rise from the quarter of 2021 to the first quarter to third quarter, of failed charging attempts from 15% to 21%. But it gets worse. Yeah. Okay, failed charging attempt is like it's trying to connect, can't initiate charge, can't connect to the web. Like there's like a variety. I know our friends over there at Straight Pipes, I've seen a few posts on social media like, here we go again, won't charge, whatever reason, busted charge station. And we had this conversation previously about maintenance in general and how whichever network is going to eventually win out or gather steam is going to have to be one that people have confidence in, that it's going to just work. I don't have enough of a variety of experience, but if there was one, like there's one that I frequently use, which is a public charger. It's a stage 2, but it's just at a place that I frequently go, from a company, Ivy Charge. Now, not to just like...
And it's been consistent.
No. It's been it's dead. It's dead now. Oh. It's recently dead. It's called customer service for the last...
But the station's still there.
2 months. Call customer service for 2 months. And I'm like, man, I know customer service has been called a number of times, but they can't get somebody, they can't fix it. Like, it's just a bad look. Even though it's not a mission critical station, it's kind of like a bonus station. It's not really doing much. It's still a really bad look for the ecosystem in general.
Yeah.
You know, it'd be like...
Not just the branding.
It'd be like an entire gas station, and you roll up and they're like, yeah, the pumps are broken. And it happens twice. And then it's been a month. And you're like, are you guys for real? Or like, is this a real business? What's going on here? According to research, customer satisfaction with level 2 and 3 chargers has plummeted to its lowest point. And big part of this as well is just the volume now, Will. The age of the existing chargers and the volume of electric cars, because it's a negative experience. The most negative experience I ever have is when I roll up, I create a destination, and then I get there, and the lineup is tremendous.
Yeah, and then knowing you have to spend like another 20 minutes to charge yourself.
Yes, absolutely. Right? But anyway, that happens rarely for me. Now, I don't know. Obviously, from region to region is going to be different. But this is a thing that has to get fixed. If you want the widespread adoption, and here you can see some of the graffiti going on. If you want the widespread... Oh, and then I'll give you the last one, which is other cars parking in the electric car parking spots and not charging, which is a frequent occurrence.
Is it?
And I don't know how you police that, because you don't want to be towing people out there. They're gonna go with their own graffiti next time. You want to give people a crack. Maybe you need better signage. It's a lot of small things that have to happen here to really ease this one and you know, smooth it out. Yeah, you gotta smooth it out. But on the flip side, I've had good experiences too, Will.
Yeah.
Flip side.
The electric future needs some work, I guess.
Reliability, consistency.
The infrastructure.
Reliability, consistency is the big deal. Absolutely.